Hey friends, Running Kimono here. Today's video is sponsored by Coupons.com Cashback. They have recently revamped their app and well, it's kind of everything. 100% digital, and this new app is the future for shoppers who love to save money. It's convenient. You get cash back on groceries and items at the tap of a button. Offers can be used at any store with itemized receipts, and there is no minimum balance to get cash back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so looking at the app, I'm launching it for the first time. I've been using it, guys, for the last 2-3 weeks. I'm already super impressed. So you got to put your information, your location, your email, along with a PayPal address in there. Make sure that all your ducks are in a line so you can get your payout. Very easy to do. And we're just going to take a quick cruise through the main page. So here it is. And as you can see, these are all the coupons that you can activate and then use it along with your purchase. And there are some big savings to be had. Look on the trending, 130 different coupons. So everything from a razor to the Blue Diamond almonds, Gain. I know a lot of you love Gain and Olay. Just a whole host of really great products with high valuable coupons. If you can't get inserts where you live, or you might be forgetful. I'm super forgetful sometimes where I don't bring the right coupons to the store. This is an opportunity for you to get cash back for items that you're purchasing for your household. And how fantastic is that? So Bakery Deli, they have my attention here with these Pillsbury refrigerated doughs, and I'm going to activate it. Very easy to do. And now it's on my list for the next time I go shopping. So just to show you, this is at the bottom of the app. Offers, my list, and redeem. Pretty easy keys to follow. They had a free offer for a free Snickers bar, and I'm very food motivated, so I activated that. If you look at the bottom left at the store, I grabbed one of these candy bars for 88 cents on the nose. I purchased this at Walmart. And then I'm just going to give you the quick run through here. So I open up the app, and then I have to go to the store. So I click on Walmart. And then they just guide you very easily how to photograph the receipt. And it's just very user intuitive. And then what you will have to do is to verify the item that you're buying. So there's the candy bar. It's been approved. Now, from when I submitted my receipt to when I got the money in my PayPal account, it was less than an hour. So overly impressed with the mechanics of this app. It just seems really great. And I got my PayPal money right away. I didn't have to save up for $20 or anything like that. You buy it, you get it. And that was less than an hour, which was super cool. I really encourage you guys to check this out. It's just a great app, very easy to use, and a lot of fun. Okay, so let's talk about Walmart top shopping secrets. A lot of great information, even if you are a seasoned Walmart shopper in this video. So the first one, well, it kind of lends to what I was talking about at the front of the video, is to definitely download and start using the Coupons.com app. A couple days ago, I was in the store, found this Safeguard soap for $1.50. Even though it was priced, or it was tagged at a different cost, it was $1.50. And I didn't have any coupons in hand, but there was $1 back on the Safeguard on the Coupons.com app. So it made this purchase 50 cents after everything was said and done. So I am absolutely loving this new app. I can't encourage you guys enough to start using it. Okay, so secret number 2 is to definitely look for these signs that say manager special. Often fresh produce or even meats are at a reduced cost. They try to put this at the front so it'll catch the shopper's eyes at eye level. So if you're either going in through the grocery area or the pharmacy area, they have usually something to get you to entice you to do these quick buys. And this Lifebuoy hand soap for $2, it was actually ringing up for $1 the day that I was there. And how long these manager specials are, well, it's whenever they want to pull it, but usually they show up towards the weekend when they have a bigger, volume of shoppers, but these are pretty cool. Look out for those signs. The next thing is that clearance items are all throughout the store. It's not in one specific section. In the baby section, in the electronic section, on these end caps, which are the end of the aisle, that's where you will find them. And then the beauty section, they have a section now with nothing but hand soap and hand sanitizer. I think that might be my heaven on earth because that's the stuff I love to buy. But really start looking for these end caps with the clearance sign over it. Crafting section, food section. Sometimes I even see frozen food section. So really train yourself when you're in the store to look for these end caps with the clearance sign, and then look for merchandise, stuff that might interest you or stuff that you want to buy. Now we're going to talk about markdown dates. Every region is a little bit different whenever the staff can get out and do these markdowns. Well, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with hand sanitizer. So looking at this, the date on this tag is October the 22nd. And that's typically when in our region, it's always the 22nd. Look at these cute cell phone cases. So if you look at the tag, I'll show you here in the next slide, it's the exact same date. It's September 22nd. So just try and figure out from that little piece of knowledge when stuff starts getting marked down, and that's when you want to start going into the store and shopping. As you can see, this little scanner thing in the store, that hand sanitizer, 40 cents. Are you kidding me? Like, that's what I want to be paying all day. And I was like a week and a half past the date of the 22nd of October, and it dropped even more considerably. So there's a lot of info in those little tags to really keep an eye out for. And then check this out. It went from 10 cents to 9 cents for a smaller hand sanitizer by the same company. So if you can piece that together, if you see stuff with a clearance tag, give it a scan. You might be really surprised what the cost is ringing up for. Now, this one's a rarity, depending how much you go into Walmart to really look for clearance. But sometimes when items shouldn't be on the shelf, or, they're just about to pull it, items ring up for 3 pennies. It's kind of like, some stores stuff is for a penny. Walmart is 3 pennies. And a couple years back, I think I might have found just under 100 of these coffee pods. And it was absolutely exhilarating. If you ever find something for 3 pennies, you'll obviously have to scan it. It won't be marked for 3 pennies. So that's why scanning stuff in store is absolutely critical, especially if it's something that you might like free coffee. Who doesn't like that? By luck, if you ever run into this and it's something that you really like, buy all of it at once. And, it's just the greatest thing. Number 6, rollbacks are not forever. So clearance merchandise, guys, will keep reducing down in cost, but rollbacks are just specified items that are reduced cost. It might be for a week, it might be for a weekend, it might be just for a couple of weeks. For example, this Ninja Foodi Grill that was $169 originally. The rollback is $30 off. So you have to make that choice if you're going to buy it, but I would do it sooner than later. And to save $30 on a product that's almost $170, well, that's some pretty significant savings. And number 7, the more persistent you are with this, the more success that you will have. Something as easy as looking at a label or using the coupons.com app. Figure it out, guys, and the more persistent you are, the more successful you will be at shopping at Walmart. So before I take off, I want to give a very special thank you to coupons.com Cashback for sponsoring this video. It's a tremendous app, guys. I think you will absolutely fall in love with it. Check it out. It's a lot of fun to use and a great way to save money. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.